Today on the Roadhouse, we're doing a fuel filter in a 1979 International Scout Traveler. Let's get started. Okay, what you're going to need today is a pair of pliers. You might need a couple prayers and a set of needle nose pliers or something to get in there to be able to get it out better. These things are a pain in the butt, those old style clamps. If you decide to go with a newer style clamp to put back on it, you're going to need a screwdriver and or a 1/4 inch socket to actually get that on and off. Okay, where is the fuel filter on an International Scout? It's going to be right up here, right down there. It's going to be very hard to get to. I went ahead and put these new kind of connectors on here. These old style ones here are a booger to get to underneath that fuel filter. So I would go ahead and once you get them out, switch them to a newer style. All right, we got the fuel filter out, which as you can see, compared to this new one, it's pretty messed up. I'm guessing that when we drove back from North Dakota, all the little bounces and everything broke up everything in the fuel tank. So then when we got it off the trailer here, it drove fine, but then once all that stuff started flowing into the fuel filter, it shellacked the whole entire thing. We're going to put the new fuel filter in and see if we can get it running. I expect that the new fuel filter will look as bad as this one within about 5 minutes or so. Okay, as you can see, the fuel is now coming out more clear. So no more dirty fuel filter. I want to take a second to tell you that we're sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings. They do powder coating and all sorts of blasting and all that type of stuff. So if you want to need anything done, big or small, Speedy's does it all. I popped in here to Shaker Racing Day to give them some decals for Roadhouse. But I want to tell y'all, if you ride her hard, don't put away wet. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on this Scout. If you watch a video, we just got this thing running after 20 years of sitting in a field. I got hoses running everywhere. I'm going to change everything out. This thing has just started today with fuel filter.